Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about how we can turn on and turn off our location in ChatGPT. Make sure you have logged in your account in ChatGPT firstly. Then go to your account, go to setting options, and go to data controls. And you can see right now I have enabled my location in ChatGPT, and I want to turn it off. Then cancel it, then go to op in the URL, and there is an option of view site information. If you click on it, then there is an option of turning it off. If I turn it off, then let's see my status of my locations, and then go to settings and data and control, and finally my location has been off. So in this way, you can turn on and turn off your location in ChatGPT. Hope this video will help you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.